Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Mr. Automation channel. Today in this session we're gonna discuss about delete request. In the last session we have discussed about post, get and put request. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch the earlier sessions and let's get started. And this is a put request that we have discussed in the last session. Let me copy the skeleton of it and I'm gonna create one new file. So this will be test delete request dot feature, right? I'm gonna simply mention this. So let me modify this, delete API automation and test delete service. So I'm just rewriting the previously which we have discussed about put request. So you can follow my all get post and put request so that you will understand this release delete API request. So it's a simple one when compared to the other. And in the delete request is something which will delete my request in the database. So I have created couple of 10 employees data using a post request, and later I wanted to delete a specific ID which is of 2 or 3. That specific ID of number, whichever ID of employee it is, I wanted to delete from the database. So for that I can use this delete service. So I can simply take this URL and this is a user and the ID is 2, and we don't need a payload here, unlike a post and put that accept something like a data as a request. But here in the delete we just need the ID. So I'm just mentioning that given URL, then method delete and status 200 and print response. So here there is one mistake. You can find that mistake. By then I will execute my service. So you can pause here and check the mistake which I have done here. So let me run this complete test. It has executed, and go to the project and simply refresh. So the mistake here we have did is with respect to the status. So status is not 200 for delete. So why? You can go to the report, expand the report, go to the Karate reports and go to the Karate summary HTML, open with web browser, and you can see there is a red line or red color indication that there is a one failure. You can see the status is 200, which is not correct. So for delete it expect 204, right? So that is the mistake that we have did in our test. So I'm going back, come back here and change to 204. And you can pause here again. Do you think that delete service will give you a response? So in case yes, then you're wrong. Delete service doesn't give any response. So let me show you that as well. Let me execute this again. So deletes is nothing but it will delete complete data from your database. So we don't expect any response to be again printed, right? Again, go back to the report and just simply refresh. Now you can see everything is green. Now go to the response. You don't see any response. So that is how the delete API work, or delete API gives no response. And this is the way that we do a delete API automation using Karate framework. I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I will help you out. And if the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you for watching.